Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are talking about Georgia.
Yes, the Peach State. We talking about shout out all the cities, the Atlanta, Columbus, Savannah, Augusta, Macon. I can keep on going. Some of the best food down the dirty South, Georgia.
So when it comes to mobile home investing in Georgia, you guys are ranked in the top 10 in the United States for how many mobile home parks it is in your state. You guys are ranked at number 5, so 5th, right? With over 1,700 mobile home communities in the state of Georgia.
Yes, listen, 5th. When you talk about, you guys have over 400,000 people living in mobile homes, so it's plenty of opportunity. Now, the reason why it's opportunity because you got to think about it, affordable housing. You guys, the median for a single family home being sold is the price is at $167,000. Your average rent right now in the state of Georgia is right at $1,000. So when you talk about affordable housing, look at the opportunities you have. And one beautiful thing, we got so many students that are killing in Georgia right now.
Yes, now, like most major cities, if you want to start finding those homes that are kind of at that lower market, again, it's similar to what we say in our other videos. You have to be willing to drive for dollars and get in those rural areas.
Yes, listen, in Metro Atlanta, you guys have 15 mobile home parks. But like Sharnice said, you got to be willing to drive those lot rents. And when we talk about lot rents, remember, lot rents are just like HOA fees when it comes to a townhouse or condo, right? Those lot rents are higher when it comes to mobile home parks in Metro Atlanta. But if you're willing to drive out, right? We've had students have large success in places like Columbus, Macon. So when you talk about these markets where lot rents are only like $200, right? $300, that's $75 lower than the average lot rent in America right now.
Yes. Now, a key fact about Georgia. So when it comes to that mobile home dealer's license, Georgia is what we call a 0 state.
Yes. So basically, guys, when it comes to your state, right, this is how the title process works. If Sharnice sells me a mobile home, right, and I'm the investor, that title goes into my name. And then I turn around and I flip that mobile home and I sell it to someone. That is considered, I'm transferring the title, that is considered a sale. Now, we always want you to be cautious with that because they require a dealer's license. We do not ever want you to get hit with any fines when it comes to that. So one way we tell you to get started is by offering rentals. Okay, so if you own a mobile home, now you have rentals and you can start creating that cash flow. If a mobile home dealer's license is something that you want to get into, because we get a lot of people saying, well, should I get a mobile home dealer's license before I even get started? The biggest thing about that is this something that you see for yourself long term, right? Do you want to make this a business? All right, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you're doing, if I say, hey, I'm driving trucks, and then I got over here that I want to do some investing here, like maybe you want to narrow it down, and then maybe go into a partnership, right? With dealer's license, can you guys get together and create something that way you guys are able to use that as a group and leverage?
Yes. So think of it as like secondary income. Like Byron said, you want to make sure this is something that you want to do long term before paying for that dealer's license.
Yes, seriously, guys. But again, like she said, do not let that stop you. We have a lot of students that have wonderful payment plans that are set up. Allow the income, the cash flow to pay for that license if that's what you are willing to do. Now, one thing I love about you guys' state, right? You guys' state requires that you have to have a tax sticker on your homes, right? To show that your taxes are updated on the homes. So here's a tip: when you're driving for dollars and you're driving through the communities, and let's say you see some stickers that say 16, 17, 18, and you don't see an updated 2019, it's a possibility that, guess what? They may have not paid their taxes. So that's an opportunity for you to even come in and assist. And if they want to sell their home, if they can't stay you can even get their home when it comes to negotiations at a better price.
Yes, and the cool thing that I love about Georgia is that you guys have some of the lowest fees when it comes to title transfers, okay? So remember, when you're trying to sell that mobile home, you're dealing with titles, right? Your title transfer fee is under $20 at $18.
$18. Here in Illinois, we pay $150 for a title transfer. So literally, you guys, man, you're really sitting on a gold mine. It is so much opportunity. And one thing you always want to check with your state's motor vehicle department.
Yes. So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.